This is my sheet. Not usually I will with silver. Don't go fast. Give me how fast I'll wrap this thing off. Anyway, it's not.
You feel like a do
Okay. Rise and shine. Rise and shine. Because I had my original outfit for the game. It was my dunks. My jumps.
First of all, his team is blue, not red.
That's not my fault. That has nothing to do with me. I got something to do with him. That's something between him and his team. Okay, hold it on my face. What?
The face is too big for the thing. Like, go ahead. Wait. Go.
My makeup! You mess up? Okay. My mama ain't give you thanks. She ain't even, no, don't even ask. Don't pray, don't. I'm eating tacos. We eating tacos. Taco Bell. Boy, if you don't get your. I should go and get my nails later.
That's your scar. Where's the mask? Oh, here you go. This one now? You
Should I do one more spray?
Alright, let's go, okay.
I do like one more spray. I did like 15. Here's my
Later, go.
Dunkirk. Streets of Dunkirk. You know what I mean? Like one dog too, they got. Came here for one t-shirt.
Huh?
We came here for a t-shirt, mom wants a t-shirt.
Yeah, I gotta find something for Paris tomorrow. I need to find like a red hoodie to go with my dunks. But I found a couple things
Truth is, I'm a little bit hesitant to hit you up. I get more scared as a damn grown up. This ain't a hookup, we could just burn up.
Keith got 4.
This one tastes like a burger.
Huh? Things are good. I'm recording this, girl. That's what I'm doing.
You're doing good, aren't you?
Yeah, I'm pulled over for that.
This way?
No. Isn't it? No. This isn't the one. Oh, no.
You think the next one?
Yeah. Yeah, I think it was the next one. She got us lost, guys.
I really
See
don't care.
here.
Right here.
Yeah.
Goes that way, right?
Yes.
Like straight right here.
No, keep going around.
Over here.
Keep going around. Keep
All the
going
way
around. Yeah,
That's
right
the
there.
way
That
we just came.
No, it's not.
You think we supposed to go here?
Yeah, because that's where that little thing is. Where you want to take pictures. I know we passed this to get to his house. Oh my God.
Go, Kenzie!
Like, no, because I can literally.
And this is where we make the.
Are you gonna see? Now we're about to go to this game. I know.
Ready?
I come in $80,000 for the check in the back in 2020.
You think I should get my. Oh, shit.
You got your umbrella?
No. I think it's in here. No, I don't. It's not gonna rain no more.
Okay.
If it do, Keith's gonna go get this damn car. But it said it's not gonna rain. It's gonna be windy though.
Just hope your wig don't fall off.
Huh?
Just hope your wig don't fall off.
I should have got my hat though. But I ain't gonna. Mama driving. Mama gonna get us there. Kenzie got us over here though. Thank you, Kenzie.
That's so smart.
Is this the right way? I feel like this ain't the right way. Did we come through town like this?
Wasn't there a roundabout at the end?
Let's see. I don't recall this.
Them dudes are big. I didn't realize how big they were. They big. They like 6'7" up in there on the court. You over there tiny. I don't know what you was gonna do if you got. I don't know what you was finna do if you got in that game. I don't know what you was finna do if you got in that game. All them dudes like 6'7", 6'8".
We play against them all the time.
Really? We playing dudes that big?
Right now. Some of them do look real.
They look big. They look big bodies. Football players, big bodies.
I like that shit.
Way
Like, like that.
That's Monaco. What happened last time I played?
Oh. Hey.
But y'all go back and forth.
Oh, y'all always playing now.
Yep.
Ah, the little dude with the tats and the little beard.
I mean, I play them every year, but.
I just